So here comes the British Acoustic TK 5000. So as shown earlier, we had three pairs of transistors on each side which were short, and those are replaced. There is one rectifier here, bridge rectifier, which was short as well. So that has also been replaced. The fuse was blown off because of the transistor being short. That has been replaced. So channel B is now operational. We will have a sound check. Thank you. So now the testing time with the TK 5000 British Acoustic. We have put a new mark mixer. This is also for our customer, because we'll test this as well. So here we go with the sound check. Left channel. Right channel.